wanted to be in real estate, but I couldn't imagine it would be that easy. Now I fast forward because I have the knowledge and the skill set. Like I could lose everything tomorrow and know that I can go make money in real estate, because the market gonna go in cycles. Mm-hmm. So it's the skill level. So I say all that to say, it really goes back to the education. Because like you just said, you don't know how to recognize a good deal unless you have the education on if it's a good deal or not.
That's correct.
In terms of running comps, in terms of like evaluating properties. And even though like the numbers are super important, what I say to people out there is there are a couple ways you can get in. Being of course you can go be a mortgage broker because you're gonna learn a lot. Mm-hmm. But becoming a real estate agent is like low-hanging fruit. At the very least, you learn networking because you're going to be a part of a broker. Mm-hmm. If you got a good firm that you're a part of, you're going to learn how to run comps. You're going to learn how to evaluate deals. So if you have no real estate experience at all, becoming an agent is a good way to get into the game because it's low-hanging fruit. And just like this shot, oh shit, it ain't easy. Just like that shot, it ain't easy. It looks easy, but it's not easy. People that get their real estate license
that shot
thinking that, oh, I can work part-time and make $100,000 a year. Nah, your ass ain't gonna make $100,000 a year working part-time. It's a grind and a hustle, bro.